Jesus flipped tables in the temple because he desired his Father's house to be a house of prayer. He desired people to seek him and to love and worship the one true God. So he flipped tables and drove out the money changers who were interrupting those seeking the Lord. One of the ladies who entered the church in Minneapolis says she was a reverend and that they were just flipping tables. In other words, being like Jesus. But it seems kind of counter to what Jesus was doing to enter a place of worship, to impede the worship of those there for a protest, regardless of how you feel politically. Entering into a place of worship and disrupting it and saying, I'm just being like Jesus, you kind of miss the part of zeal for my Father's house consumes me.